Kalagobs! Welcome back! I'm back! OMG! Super tagal na. The last time I posted a video on my channel. Lakas maka-vlogger my channel. So actually medyo matagal na. Siguro, kailan ba ako last nag-post? Last year, yeah. Nung nauwi ako sa Cebu, sa amin. So, kasi I wasn't thinking kasi na I'm not sure kasi kung babalik pa ako na Manila that time. So, ayun. And now, I'm back. I just want to share with you that I'm also back because I had my... I just had my first travel abroad. Diba? During this COVID-19 pandemic time. So, nakapag-abroad si Bakla! Yes! And we went to Korea. So, I'll just... share with you lang some of the, mga snaps na ganap in Korea. Although medyo busy lang kasi I was only there for a very short period of time. So I'll just show with you kung ano yung mga ganap ko doon. And then of course, I'll share then on how to travel since Korea is now accepting tourists. Yes! Pwede na travel mga akla. Okay? So of course, you have to follow lang ng mga requirements nila. Number 1 is kailangan mong magpa-swab RT-PCR 48 hours before your departure, and then or kung gusto mo naman ng antigen, it's 24 hours I think. Yeah, 24 hours. Tapos you also have to register sa Q code kasi kailangan siya. And then when you get to Korea sa airport, kailangan mo ulit magpatusok best. So, another RT-PCR, and then you have to upload it sa Q-code ulit, yung result. So, pag negative ka, tuloy-tuloy ang laban, rampahan na. So, this is what happens during my trip on Korea. Enjoy!
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
So that's it mga kalagobs. That's my quick tour in Korea. And of course, pagbalik mo ng Philippines, sa ating Filipinas kung mahal. So pagbalik natin ng Philippines, if you are already received your booster dose, hindi mo na kailangan mag-antigen or RT-PCR. So you just have to register to ano nga ba yan? Health Pass. So kailangan mo lang input mga details doon, and then you are free as a bird to go back to the Philippines. And of course, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you mga kalagubs. Bye!